time. Yeah. While we continue down the Rio-grande, this is another one of those rocky areas where you again hear the ripples. The rafting, have to be very careful. This is where the skills takes over. Like my raft captain here is working very hard to take us through. I can hear the roaring of the across the rocks. Listen as we get through this little bad spot. Watch the river on the other side. Wow. Camera is shaking and rough. Man, the captain is working very hard to get us through that. Wow. This is beautiful. Banks of the Rio-grande. These bended bamboos and rocks that you're looking at were part of the erosion this year. 37 inches of rain fell and took out some of the bamboos, and they bent up, and wow, this is what river does, this is what water does. Imagine, just imagine. I'm out there.